Right. Good morning, friends. It's lovely to see everybody this morning and welcome to the very first day of NAMPO Virtual 2020. And I'm very excited to have you all with us today on behalf of John Deere for the opening and welcoming from the Managing Director for Africa and the Middle East, Jacques Taylor. He's going to be opening NAMPO and shares the vision for John Deere 2020 and for 2021. My name is Danilo Acquisto, and I'm going to ensure that everything runs smoothly for you today to ensure that you have a seamless experience with John Deere this morning. Just a reminder, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see an opportunity to ask any questions in our Q&A. Please make sure that you do utilize this facility. If you have any questions, our team are on standby to ensure they answer all your questions as effectively as possible and quickly as possible. So do pop those through into the chat section, and I'll remind you in a second later on in the series. You can also head over to our Facebook page. There's an event there and a post that you can go and find. There you may also ask any of your questions. Perhaps something doesn't get answered here. You're more than welcome to head over to the Facebook page and get all your questions answered there as well. On our NAMPO chat tab, there's something there as well too. And obviously here within the NAMPO software, you can find all of those opportunities to ask your questions. So please do head over to all the various platforms that we're engaged in and ask your questions, because now's the chance. There won't be another opportunity to be able to engage with such senior experts from the various different industry leaders in the business itself. Right, so without any further ado, I'm going to hand over to Jacques to hear about what's in store for John Deere for 2020.
Hello, I'm Jacques Taylor and I lead John Deere's operation across Africa and the Middle East. Welcome to Virtual NAMPO. What can you expect from Deere & Company or John Deere globally over the next 2 years? Deere & Company is on an exciting journey by introducing a new strategy. Aim is for us to become a smart industrial company. So what does that mean? That means that our aim is to deliver intelligent, connected machines and applications that will allow our customers to make more informed decisions, allow our customers to maximize uptime, and ultimately allow them to unlock economic value within their operations. With that as backdrop, from an African continent point of view, I would say our customers can continue to expect superior performance, quality and uptime from our equipment. They can continue to expect service from a strong dealer network, and they can also continue to expect leading agricultural technologies that would allow them to optimize their specific production systems. We're excited to be part of NAMPO. We've been part of NAMPO for the past 50 years, and we're excited to bring this virtual NAMPO to the market, where we basically cross borders now and can engage with our customers wherever you are in the comfort of your home or office. My hope is that you will enjoy the virtual NAMPO with us. My hope is that you will engage. Please leave comments, reach out to us. We look forward to connecting with you on a one-on-one basis where needed.
Jacques, thank you very much for that beautiful introduction. Gives us a really good insight into what the plan is for the future for John Deere. Much appreciated. As he mentioned, please do go ahead and ask all the questions that you have. You'll see at the bottom of your screen, there are two different icons, a chat and a Q&A. Please do submit all those questions through to the experts, and we'll make sure that they're answered live. The team are on standby to answer those for you now. Let's move on to our second speaker for the day. We're going to introduce you to Stefan Nell. He's the marketing manager at John Deere. Stefan will tell us more about what we can expect from the John Deere company and the stand at NAMPO, as well as he'll be introducing us to an exciting virtual reality and 3D Africa showroom. It's one of the most exciting features at NAMPO, and I'm very excited to display that for you. So over to the experts themselves.
Hi, I'm Stefan Nell. I'm the marketing manager for John Deere in Africa. I want to welcome you to the 2020 Virtual NAMPO, to the John Deere virtual stand. What you can expect from John Deere over the 4 days of NAMPO Virtual. You can see people or experts from the John Deere team sharing some news, insights and developments within John Deere on products. Our experts will tell you more about the features and benefits of our products, our services, also on our financial and sales solutions. Every day we will also launch a new product, so there would be over the 4 days there would be a product launched. And then also you can be one of the lucky winners of one of five 500 Rand gift vouchers. And then lastly, you can also interact with us on the John Deere events page, where you can ask questions and we will get back to you with answers as soon as possible. So why did we do NAMPO Virtual? So with the pandemic, with COVID-19, a lot of companies were forced to think differently, including John Deere. And we had to come up with new ways to still interact with our customers, still give them that John Deere experience on our projects, on our services. So with COVID-19, we actually had an idea before the lockdown to start NAMPO planning in terms of a virtual space, because we had a lot of products we wanted to launch this year, and this whole pandemic forced us to start working in the back end. And then with the announcement from Grain SA on NAMPO Virtual, we were geared to take this head on, and very excited to share with you guys what we will do during this virtual NAMPO. So what can you expect from NAMPO Virtual on the John Deere booth? So aside from seeing our products in a new way, in a 3D way that we scan the products, that you can interact with it virtually, you can engage with the products, you can see certain features and benefits and specifications. But aside from the 3D scans on the products, you can also still find the normal John Deere points of interest. So you would be able to access a parts landing page where you will find all the offers from our parts team, similar with our service, similar with our sales and John Deere financial booth. And then also very exciting is the John Deere store that will have a whole virtual experience. You can browse the store, you can look at the products inside the store, and you'll be able to purchase those products online. Also exciting is that you'll be able to be part of some of the games and interactive competitions that we will have throughout the week within the platform. Inside a virtual showroom, you will also find the sales and John Deere financial booth, where you would be able to see all our promotions and special offers that we will have during the NAMPO 2020. We look forward to welcome you to the 2020 NAMPO Virtual. Visit the John Deere stand, come experience the new features that John Deere offers, and then also remember to engage on the platforms, on the websites, on the Facebook page, and then you can stand a chance to be one of those lucky winners for the John Deere gift store.
Stefan, thank you so much for the great insight. What I'm going to do in any case, for those of you who are looking for the Africa Showroom website, is I'm going to post a little message on the chat group. You'll see it'll come to all of you on the bottom of your screen. There is a link there to the URL you can go to experience the 3D showroom for yourself. It's honestly a brilliant experience. So do go and interact with the different features that Stefan mentioned earlier on. And if you have any questions for Stefan himself, please feel free to write them out here in the webinar or post them on all the social media platforms. And you can also post some of those questions at the NAMPO stand itself. I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. Right, in a few moments, Freddie Ripping, the production system specialist at John Deere, will be launching the 8R on the main stage. So you can catch this launch. It's happening at 10:20, so in about 12 minutes or so. 12:30 as well as 5:50 today. So if you can't make the 10:20 slot this morning, then do make the 12:30 or the 5:50 slot this evening. And remember to enter our daily competitions. There are more details about them on the stand at NAMPO and on the social media platforms as well. So go and find John Deere either at the stand or on the social media platforms, and you could be an instant winner. That's all we have time for today. So thank you so much for joining us. Please join us again tomorrow. We will hear more about John Deere's latest products and technology, as well as parts and service initiatives. It's happening at 10 a.m., so the same time as this morning, right here on Zoom webinars tomorrow. So make sure you keep an eye out on those links, and we look forward to seeing you there. And my name, once again, is Danilo Acquisto, and I look forward to welcoming you tomorrow. I'll leave the chat open for a few more seconds. I see there are a couple of Q&As that have come through. We'll get those answered in a few minutes while we say thank you from John Deere.